Hey beautiful people, so I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you what to do if the shopping cart trick isn't working for you. So I go live every day and I realize, like, let me help y'all. Instead of me just hearing y'all say that y'all can't do it, I have a form right here that you can fill out and I can try to do the shopping cart trick on my end. So far I was able to help 5 people. Yep, it was 5 people I was helped to get the pop. I helped them get the pop-up so that they could be able to get those credit cards. But I can help you too. And I just started. So I started in 2 days doing it live, and I helped 5 people so far. So if you want me to help you be able to get the pop-up, definitely go ahead and fill out this link here, and then I'll be able to see if I can get that pop-up for you. But if I'm able to get that pop-up, then I'll let you know. I'll send you a form letting you know, hey, which credit cards you want me to apply for you, and then I'll apply for them for you. Now, the thing is, if I'm not able to get the pop-up, I'll let you know what I want you to do next so that we can still try to get that pop-up. We're not going to try to give up. So let's go ahead and let me show you what I'm doing, because you have to send me your information. So let me show you what I'm doing so that you can go ahead and see if you ever get pre-approved for these credit cards. And don't forget, you should not get any hard inquiry. And on top of not getting a hard inquiry, they shouldn't check your credit reports at all. So if you want to do the shopping cart trick on your own, before you fill out this form, what I want you to do is try to see if you can get these credit cards to pull up yourself before you go ahead and contact me. Or if you like, Rakita, I just don't have the time, just fill out the form, okay? But do this first. Do the Factor Trust first. So I want you to go, let's make a new window, and let's do Factor Trust. So I want you to opt into Factor Trust. So you can opt in or you can opt out. I want you to opt in to Factor Trust. Now, when I say opt in, I mean opt in like saying that, hey, I want to get credit card offers. Go ahead and send my information to the credit card company so that they can go ahead and send me offers. So do not opt out. If you opt out, then you're going to be opted out for 8 years. And I don't want you to be opted out for 8 years. So go ahead and click submit. After you click submit, then I want you to fill in this information. This is the same information that should be on your Equifax credit reports. So make sure that this information really matches what's on your credit reports. Now, if you just move to a new address and the credit bureaus don't know about that address, do not put the address down. Make sure that you get your address updated before you even do this trick too. So what I want you to do is put your first and last name in. I want you to put your social security number, your date of birth, put your address in here. Remember, that's that same address on Equifax. That's very, very important. And then, two, make sure you put your email address in. After you fill out this form, this is where TransUnion and the credit bureaus are going to actually tell the credit card companies, hey, Rakita is looking to get some credit cards. You know, she's available, y'all. So if y'all try to give out credit cards, make sure y'all contact her, because you're going to start getting a lot of offers in the mail outside of just doing a shopping cart trick too. So get ready for a mail overload. But if you're looking to get credit, this is perfect, because now you can pick through it. You're going to get the pre-approvals, which is good. If you get you're pre-qualified for $2,000, that's good, because a lot of times they're going to give you that code. And if you put that code in, you have a greater chance of getting those credit cards than if you wasn't to put that code in. So like I said, go ahead and click confirm. Let's go right into the juicy part. So for me to get you pre-approved for credit cards, I got to go to the website. Now, the only website I try for you first to see if you ever get pre-approved is Victoria's Secrets. So what I do is I click these 3 dots, or I have a new thing I found out too, Control Shift in, and then I could just put Victoria's Secrets in, which is here, and then I get it to pop up. And then I go and put $200 to $250 worth of items in the cart. So what I do is I just go to sleep. I get the same thing. Sleep, cami sets. I just go here and I get the same thing. The point that I got this pop-up is a good thing, and you should get the same pop-up too. This is the same thing. If you want to do this yourself, follow the steps that I'm doing, and you're able to, that's good. I just want you to contact me if you're not able to do it, or if you like, Rakita, I don't have time. Can you just do it for me? That's the only time I want you to contact me. If you can do it yourself, perfect. Do it yourself. That's perfect, perfect, perfect. So go ahead and click here. I like to just get this thing right here. It's just so easy to me, because I can just get 4 of these and it'll be perfect. So I just click small and I put 4 here, and then add to bag. And then I want to click checkout. Now, if you can see here too, let's say $198, but with tax, with the taxes and shipment, it's going to be higher. So it's fine. It'll be between the $200 and $250. So let's go ahead and check out as a guest. And then I need to put all of the information here. This is where I will put your information in. Remember, I said I needed your name, your address, and then your phone number and your email address. So this is what I'm going to put in. So let me go ahead and type this information in. So I'm going to type this in. And remember, too, I'm going to show y'all what that pop-up is going to look like. And that way you'll know. And if I can get that pop-up for you, I'll send you a form asking you which credit card you want me to apply for. If I'm not able to get the pop-up, then I'll also contact you and let you know that I'm not able to get the pop-up for you. And then we can just go from there. So let me just make this a capital N just in case I don't need no problems out of there. Okay, so I think I got everything filled in. I got it all filled in correctly. So I want to continue to delivery. That's what I want to do. It's thinking a lot. So you see how I got this pop-up? This is the same pop-up that I'm going to get for you. Let you know, hey, you're being pre-approved for Victoria's Secret credit card. So get the $15 off. Now, this is really good, you guys, because if you need to get credit cards because I want all my clients to make sure they have 4 credit cards to really boost their credit score up. You're going to be able to get these credit cards to boost your credit score up. And a lot of times people get these credit cards put on their credit reports. Their credit score can go up 40 to 60 points. So it's very important that y'all, if y'all don't have 4 credit cards, y'all try this trick yourself or go ahead and fill out that form so I can try it for you. So like I said, too, you got the $15 off. You'll get that in the mail and you should get it in your email. I'm going to ask you like which card you want, if it's going to be the pink or the black one. And then all I'm going to do for you, or you can do yourself, depending on if I'm helping you, if you're doing it yourself, just go ahead and click accept now. After you click accept now, all your personal information will be here, but I have that blocked out for security purposes. All I'm going to do later on is I'm going to ask you, after I'm able to get this trick to pop up, I'm going to ask you, what is your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social? That's all I'm going to need from you. So I'm going to put your date of birth here, and then I'm going to put the last 4 digits of your social in twice. After I put that in, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to put finish, submit for review. But after I do that, I should get a pop-up letting me know, next they should say, oh, you're pre-approved for so-and-so. They'll tell me the exact amount that you're pre-approved for, and then I'm able to send that to you too. So I'll make sure I get a screenshot of that, or you should get that in your email also. Now, after I do this form for you too, a lot of people say they've been getting their cards in less than a week and getting it put on their credit reports quickly. So that means that your credit score should get boosted up really quickly. Hopefully it'll be that 40 to 60 points. Some people get 100 points. Remember I told you guys how to boost your credit score 100 points? This is one way, you guys. So you should get the credit card in the mail and you should get it added to your credit reports. And if you maxed out your credit cards and you're getting these credit cards because you maxed out your credit card, this is a good thing, because now your utilization is going to be so much lower after you get these credit cards, because now you have more credit available. But again, if you want to get these credit card offers, if you want me to actually try to do this for you, what I want you to do is I want you to go and fill out this form here. So just fill out this form here, and then I'm able to do it for you. I am going to do it live for some people, where that way I can talk to people and do it. But most cases, I'm going to do it behind the scenes and just hurry and get them done, because I already have 17 I have to do today, and I already did. I did 44 live yesterday. So I don't want to just be doing that live, because it takes so much time with the talking and everything. So let me just go ahead and see if I'm able to get the pop-ups for you. If I'm able to get the pop-ups, I'm just going to go ahead and message you saying, hey, I was able to get the pop-up. These are the credit cards I'm able to go ahead and help you get. And we can just go from there. And then when you get those credit cards in the mail, make sure you don't spend more than 5% of the credit card offer. So say if I get you, $1,000, I really don't want you to spend more than $50. If I get you $4,000, don't spend more than $20. So, $200. Yes. Yeah. For if it's $4,000, don't spend more than $200. Now, remember, you want these credit cards to boost your credit score. You need to have 4 credit cards on your credit reports. So if you want me to help you with this, definitely fill out this form, and then I'll message you and let you know if I'm able to get you approved or I'm not able to get you approved. And remember, always call or text me. My phone number is 833-RAKITA. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and make sure you drop a comment, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.